Hi, I'm Sarah Nelson and I lead strategic partnerships for Samsung. I'm responsible for the Google Assistant partnership and integration into our smart TV platform. Very excited to be here today. At Samsung, we're continually looking to redefine the TV experience and to bring more capabilities to the TV that offer more value to our customers. Since launching the Smart TV platform over a decade ago, our vision has really been that the TV is much more than a TV in the traditional sense, that it's truly a hub in the home, a center where users can go to access all of their entertainment needs. And that could be accessing their favorite video and music services, but more and more it means to do a lot more than that. It means to display their favorite artworks through the frame or access their fitness stats and workout videos through Samsung Health, or leverage the TV as a tool in the work from home workplace by accessing remote PC. And what we've seen is that our aspiration for the TV to be so much more than a TV and to do so much more than offer video content has really started to align with consumer expectations. Users today are doing so much more from home, and they're looking to bring all the activities they're doing from home, whether that's shopping, working out, learning, working, to really bring that to the best screen, the best display in the home, the TV. And so through voice and our partnership with Google Assistant, we really are able to realize that vision and meet that consumer need. The Assistant allows us to bring so much new functionality to the TV, whether that's learning about the world through the Assistant or controlling their smart home. And what we see is that as the Assistant continues to evolve and new capabilities are brought into that ecosystem, we're continuing to offer our customers a better and better experience through our TVs. Since launching Google Assistant on our TVs, we've seen an increased engagement with voice on the platform. More customers than ever are activating voice and engaging with voice on the platform. And we're seeing that they are interacting with voice in completely new ways, whether unlocking capabilities that didn't exist before on the platform, or maybe would not have made sense to do through a D-pad remote 10 feet away. But I think what's been really interesting for us to see is that in addition to new behaviors, a lot of the time spent on our devices is still with core TV behaviors. So customers are using voice to open apps, change channels, search for content, control playback. And this is interesting because these are pretty basic functionalities and things that customers are already very familiar with today, but they're still choosing to use voice to do them. And I think it shows that voice really enhances every part of the user experience. It's not just about adding new capabilities to the device, it's about making the experience easier and more intuitive and more efficient. And so I think, the easier we can make it for customers to interact with our devices, the happier they will be with the experience, and we think the more engaged they will be with our experience. We see that customers are looking for really three things out of their TV experience. First, they're looking to get so much more functionality and capability out of their TVs. They're looking to do more with their TVs than they ever have before. Second, they want those experiences to be really simple, easy to use. They want interfaces that allow them to quickly access their favorite content, the information they're looking for, with very little friction. And lastly, I think really related to that, they're looking for, highly personalized experiences that learn from their behavior over time, learn from their preferences, and evolve to better meet their needs. And I think our partnership with the Assistant helps us really address all of those consumer needs. First, the Assistant allows us to greatly extend the functionality available on our TV through the features and capabilities that the Assistant makes available through its own service and then through its ecosystem of partnerships. And two, I think voice is really the original interface. It is the most natural, most intuitive way for customers to interact with their device. And so by adding voice, not only are they unlocking new capabilities, but it's allowing them to more efficiently and easily interact with their product. And lastly, I think the thing that's really powerful about the Assistant is that it is intelligent. It continues to learn and evolve with the customer. And like a true assistant, it learns the user's needs and better reacts to that. And we have seen that the Google capabilities continue to grow, the ecosystem continues to grow. So it's really an ever-evolving, ever-improving user experience for customers. Our philosophy as a platform is to be open and to provide customers with as much choice as possible and ensure that they're really able to customize their TV experience to their preferences. We want to make sure that all of the top technology and services are available on our platform, and that customers are able to really choose which service it is that they like to use best. And when we look at Google Assistant, it is one of the most popular and most widely adopted voice agents around the world. So it's really important for our customers who are Google users to be able to access the assistant and extend the functionality that they may already be using within their home to their most used and most central device in the home, the TV. And I think what we've seen overall is across voice and across the platform is that as we offer more services and more capabilities to customers, we see increased engagement with those services and with the platform. So it's really an expanding pie. So I think it was important for us to supplement our overall service offering with the assistant. Users have been really delighted with the Google Assistant experience in our TVs, and I think we have been really pleasantly surprised just by the experience and how engaged customers have been with voice on our TVs. And I think we're really excited to see where this heads. We think that as more customers adopt voice as their primary way to interface with our products, we're just going to continue to see growth in this category. And I think today we've been very focused on the core assistant experience and making sure that we're bringing new capability to the TV, that we're improving what the TV has been able to do in the past. But I think as we look forward, we are going to think through ways that voice can really be modified and take advantage of the really unique form factor of the TV. As a large screen device connected to the internet, centrally located in a customer's home, we think there are so many unique things that we can be doing with the assistant and are really looking forward to evolving the product and developing new experiences with Google.